सर भेज रही हूँ, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड।
ठीक है। 4:30, let's start this chapter, and if get chance, we'll do as much as possible. Got it. I'll check later, but let's start question. We know different type of bond are present in case of chemical compound, ionic bond, covalent bond, or coordination bond. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electron. Transfer of electron. Covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electron. Okay, and in coordination bond you have sharing, but this sharing is done only by the ligand. Correct. Lewis gave the rule of octet when he said if you are making any compound, any element want to make like to have maximum 8 electron in the shell after interaction, after sharing or transfer or whatever the thing, octet rule. Except two, hydrogen and helium want to have duplet, means 2 electron in their outermost shell. They want to do this. Next is the formal charge. How to calculate charge on the atom? That is the formal charge. Okay. What is the method to calculate formal charge? First, check what is your valence electron. Example, if you take this ozone, every oxygen will have 6 electrons in outermost shell. Then number of lone pair electron, not lone pair electron. Example, in the first atom, you have 2 electron. In first oxygen, you have 2 electron. And half of the electron from the bond pair. Because each atom have half electron, another atom will have half electron. Example, if you take the oxygen molecule have O2. So what will happen in this situation? In this situation, there are 4 electrons in the bond pair. 2 electrons belong to this oxygen, 2 belong to this oxygen. Correct? So total 4 electrons. That's why half of the bond pair. Okay? That's why half of the bond pair. That's how we calculate. Example on the first. If you take the formal charge on the first atom 1, then valence electron 6, lone pair electron 4. How many bond you have? 2. Bond pair electron 4. Half of this 2. So formal charge will be 0. That's why first atom will not have any charge. Formal charge on the first atom. Second, this is second and this is third. Okay. So in second atom, same situation. You have charge 6, valence electron 6. Lone pair only 1 electron lone pair electron 2. What will be bond pair in this case? Hmm, yeah, for this bond pair electron will be 6. How? Because there are 3 bond, 2 bond on left hand side and 1 bond on right hand side. Correct? 2 bond on left hand side and 1 bond on the right hand side. So total bond pair electron 6. Correct? So here you will get answer formal charge 1. So second oxygen will have +1 charge. Third oxygen, valence electron always 6. Lone pair electron 6 given in the question. And bond pair electron are 2. So if you put the value, this will have minus charge. Logically, how is that possible? First electron, first oxygen have octet rule completely. 4 lone pair, 4 bond pair, totally perfect situation. Correct? Perfect situation for this oxygen. Why? 4 lone pair, 4 bond pair, total 8. Okay, next. If you see second oxygen, 6 bond pair, 2 lone pairs, still octet rule is completed, and that's what we are looking for. Okay, and last This third oxygen, six lone pair and two bond pair, total electron eight. Every element want to complete the octet rule. That is the basic rule. Okay, every element want to complete octet rule, and based on that, we can see what is the charge on every atom. And for this, we use word formal charge. Understood, guys? Any doubt? And this is the formula of the formal charge. Formal charge is equal to valence electron minus lone pair electron minus 1 by 2 bond pair electron. Okay. Next, resonance. In the resonance, whatever structure will be given is known as resonating structure or canonical structure. Example, aniline have five resonating structure. Phenol have five resonating structure. Chlorobenzene have five resonating structure. So many a time you will see five resonating structure. All these resonating structure are not real. When you mix the resonating structure, you will get a hybrid. This is known as resonance hybrid real structure. Example, here this middle oxygen have positive and last oxygen have negative charge. Ulta is in this situation. If you combine both of them, this is resonance hybrid real structure. So how many resonating structure you have? Only two. How? First resonating structure, second resonating structure. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
So more the resonating structure or canonical structure, then it will be more stable. More the resonating structure or canonical structure, it will be more stable. Example, whenever there is more energy, it will be less stability. But how to check energy in this case? Check charge. In first and second, you have charge, both positive and negative charge. More charge, less stable. But if you take resonance hybrid, then charge will be minimum. Minimum charge, maximum stability. So which one is more stable? Resonance hybrid. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
Sir, train is crawler.
Huh, this is about the resonance.
Done, sir.
Then bond length and bond order. Bond length, as the name suggests, length of a bond, and bond order means number of bond. Whenever somebody say bond order means number of bond, number of bonds. Example: if you see bond order in hydrogen, it will be one. Why? Because one bond between oxygen, two bond, so two bond order. Three bond between nitrogen, three bond order. Understood? Bond order is the number of example. And imagine ki whenever there is a more bond order, example nitrogen triple bond is extremely stable because triple bond, then bond length will decrease. Bond length will decrease. Understand? So bond length and bond order are exactly inverse to each other. If bond length increase means if length between the bond increase, bond order will decrease. Correct? Example, if you see this bond and you take Y by bond, so compared to first and second, if bond length increase from 2 to 1, bond order will decrease. Make
I'll
sense?
be back in 2 minutes.
Okay, Anvita. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
It is saying ki in hydrogen single bond, In hydrogen single bond order is 1. You have maximum bond length. MAX means maximum bond length. If you take nitrogen triple bond order is 3 because 3 bond length will be minimum. So bond length and bond order are exactly opposite to each other. Okay. And whenever there is an increase in bond order, it means number of bond will increase. If number of bond increase, it is difficult to break. And if it is difficult to break, your bond enthalpy will increase. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Anita, you came back? पानी पानी का So, Anvita, are you back? Or be back? Back. दे दो दे दो बैग. Because we are going to start a really important topic, bond dipole moment.
I'm here, sir.
Okay. So I just said the bond enthalpy is how much energy is required to break bond. Logically, that is the thing. Okay. If you see, eh, so much. So bond enthalpy is amount of energy required to break bond. And I mentioned to them कि if you increase bond order means number of bond are more, it means difficult to the break the bond, then your bond enthalpy will increase. And your bond enthalpy will increase. Okay, bond enthalpy will increase. It means our bond enthalpy is directly proportional to bond order. More number of bond, more energy required to break the bond. And less will be bond. Less will be bond. Then dipole moment. Dipole moment we just recently did in the case of electric field. Correct? We just did in the electric field. So what happened? Whenever there is a electronegativity difference in chemistry, whenever there is a electronegativity difference, electron will move towards a high electronegative element. So this will be the direction. Your arrowhead will be toward the more electronegative elements, and your tail will be on the opposite side. Right? If you have lone pair electron, it lone pair electron is always localized at one place, and it try to go away from the atom. It try to go away from the atom. Right? And in physics, you know your dipole moment P is equal to charge into 2L. It means more charge, more dipole moment, more length, more dipole. So it directly depends upon the charge. Unit of dipole moment is dB. So Coulomb meter or dB in different form you can represent. What happen in case of BeCl2? Here chlorine is attracting electron this side. This chlorine is attracting electron this side. Both will cancel out each other. That will be zero dipole moment. Nobody will ask you number of the dipole moment. They will ask whether it is zero or not zero. Second, which one is greater? Only two possibilities. In case of BF3, so what will happen in case of BF3? You have three fluorine. Each will attract toward each other. These two fluorine, their resultant will be this at 60 degree angle. And you know cos 60 value is equal to 1 by 2. So this will be F 1 by 2 because also equal to F cos 60. And this will be F by 2 because this is also F cos 60. If you add both of them, what will be the final value? Resultant value, this will be. Understood? Any doubt? So resultant force on the right hand side F, resultant force on the left hand side F, both cancel out each other, net value will be 0. Okay, net value will be 0. Whenever you will see more electronegativity, more dipole moment. Example out of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. More electronegativity, more dipole moment. So maximum will be fluorine. Maximum question asked from this part only. If you see logically, NF in case of NF3 and NS3, dipole moment of NF3 should be more logically. Anvita, makes sense? Because fluorine is more electronegative compared to the hydrogen. If you compare electronegativity, any doubt? Any doubt?
थोड़ा नीचे कर
Anvita, fluorine electronegativity is more than hydrogen, so fluorine should have more dipole moment because dipole moment depend upon the electronegativity. Yes or no?
Yes.
But this is not the case. That's why NEET every year asks this question, more or less, directly or indirectly. But why not? If you see, in case of ammonia, nitrogen, hydrogen bond, you know nitrogen is more electronegative. So nitrogen will attract toward itself. Lone pair go away from it. So overall direction in one way. Keep this, this, and then this direction. Can we say all are in one direction? Oh, अरे दिए रहा होता sir. But in NF3, what will happen? They are in opposite direction. If you take this, then in lone pair it is going upward, and other it is going downward. So both will reduce the impact of each other. That's why Thailand ना याद करो फिर. Guys, if you me, I will off the screen. No, I will not off the screen. You can write everything. Hello, guys. Am I audible?
Yes.
So understood what I was trying to convey through this statement. That's why it is written extremely important. Because in case of ammonia, all are moving in the same direction. So overall dipole moment is increasing. But In NF3, both are both are present in opposite direction. So they will cancel out each other, not 100%, but it will decrease. Understood? So that's why if you see dipole moment of ammonia is more than dipole moment of ammonia is more than the NF. Ammonia is greater than NF3. That is the ultimate summary and extremely important. Okay, next. Fajan's rule. Fajan's rule says that if you take ionic compound, in ionic compound, we want to know what is the percentage of covalent character. In ionic compound, what is the percentage of covalent character? Okay, what is the percentage of covalent character? Example, you know there in case of ionic compound, you have cation and anion. Usually anion is big, cation is small. And due to difference in the size, there will be covalent character, correct? And covalent character will keep on increasing. Example, if cation size keep on decreasing, covalent character will increase. Anion size big, covalent character will increase. Okay. How? If you increase the charge on the cation, charge means bigger size, then covalent character will be more. Sorry, not bigger size, smaller size, covalent character will be more. Example, if you take Mg2 positive and Al3 positive. So if you increase charge, this is 2 positive, this is 3 positive. If you increase charge from magnesium to aluminium, then covalent character will also increase. That is the simplest one. In case of cation, if you increase charge, covalent character increase. As simple as that. Done. Hmm. Okay. Example. In this case, if you know charge on aluminium is 3 positive, charge on iron is also, let's in this case, 3 positive. Both are 3 positive. But because you know iron is smaller than aluminium, so smaller atom will exert more covalent character. So in this case, if you consider covalent character, then covalent character will be more in FeCl3. Reason, small size of Fe. Any doubt, guys? Yes. Give me just one minute. Hello, Amitra. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Vesper theory. Vesper theory says that if we want to know the geometry of any chemical compound, or to know the geometry, you have two type of pair. One is lone pair, second is bond pair. Lone pair are localized and less stable, and bond pair are shared and highly stable. Bond is always stable, and lone pair is less stable. The issue with the lone pair is lone pair always want to occupy the maximum space. Okay, it want to occupy the maximum space. To get the maximum space, lone pair will repel each other. To get the maximum space, lone pair will repel each other. Then bond pair will repel minimum. आओ भाई साहब आओ. Okay, bond pair will repel minimum. Why? Because it is already stable. Why it want to repel? But lone pair want to get more space. That's why it is less stable and maximum repulsion. And why maximum repulsion? To get the stability. Any doubt, guys? Ask your question. Vesper theory is important. Like you get some question. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next, If you increase lone pair, then bond angle will decrease because of the repulsion. Example, in CS4, you don't have any lone pair, bond angle is 105, 105.5 approx. Second, if you have one lone pair in this situation, bond angle will reduce to 107. Reason? Same. Lone pair repulsion will be more and bond angle will reduce. Now, if you have two lone pair, bond angle will be the minimum. Reason? Because this lone pair will try to come to this side, this lone pair try to come this side because they are repelling each other and they will reduce the angle. Make sense? Make sense?
Sir, can you explain?
Yeah. What I am saying, ki examiner will ask you where you will have maximum bond angle or minimum bond angle. How to know? You have to check how many lone pair are present. Example, in case of CH4 methane, bond angle is 109.5. You don't need to remember number, it just given number is there. Second, if you have one lone pair in this situation, one lone pair, then bond angle will reduce because repulsion. It try to accommodate more space. They will come closer, bond angle will reduce. And in this case, you have two lone pair, then repulsion will be maximum. Maximum repulsion angle will reduce. So more lone pair, less angle. Make sense?
Yes.
Anybody have doubt? Anvita, Sarah, Brinder.
No. No.
What we are going to do next is the most important of this chapter. 50% of question will come from the remaining portion. Ki how we check bond pair, lone pair, hybridization, shape, angle, every single thing will be there. And trust me, when I am saying 50, it is very less. Sometimes it could be 90% of the chapter. This is so crucial. Okay, everything is related to this. In a given compound, what is the angle, what is the shape, geometry, and what will be hybridization. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. And every time I will repeat the same thing 2, 3 times. Reason? Because 50%. Okay, and this is the complete thing. हाँ ज्यादा अच्छा ठीक है नंबर भेज दे मेरा जरा एक मिनट तो so four important thing to understand in this. What is the compound? अरे वो क्या कहना वो आ गया प्लम which is the compound? Number of bond pair in a given compound, number of lone pair, and based on this compound, what will be the geometry? Hello. एक तो पेमेंट कर दी मैंने, ठीक है। और दूसरी बात, प्लम्बर आ रहा है तो मैं वो तेरे तक सामान भेजो, ठीक है। ओके ओके। सो एग्जांपल, if you take BeCl2, first you have to check what is the atomic number of beryllium. Varinder, what is the atomic number of beryllium? 4. So first shell 2, second shell 2, correct? So it means beryllium have 2 electron in the outermost shell, and both electron are bonded with the chlorine, correct? Both electron are bonded with the chlorine. What will is the number of bond? 2. What is the number of lone pair? 0, because there is no free electron, correct? So what will be the total number? 2. What is this total number? Your hybridization number. Okay. In this topic, we will check our hybridization number. We'll check hybridization number. And how to calculate hybridization number? Number of bond pair plus lone pair. What does it mean? Example, here number of bond pair and lone pair is 2. So 1 is S, 1 is P. What is the total number? 2. Tell me guys, understood everything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anvita, Barinder,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anvita. Okay. How to calculate? First check what is the valence electron for this atom. Calculate valence electron. Based on the valence electron, check how many bond. Here you have 2 bond, 2 valence electron. So no lone pair, only bond pair. Okay. So here valence electron 2, bond pair 2, lone pair 2. Total number of the hybridization number, I will write HN. Hybridization number is 2. Hybridization number is 2. 1 SP total 2 done. And when you have sp hybridization, even carbon-carbon triple bond, you know there will be linear shape. How do we know? You can check here. Exactly same thing happen even in case of CO2. Exactly same thing happen in case of CO2. Example, if you take CO2, what is the number of valence electron? Valence electron 4 in case of carbon. So carbon have total 4 electron. And how many oxygen do you have? 2. 1 oxygen here, 1 oxygen here. Every oxygen try to make 2 bond and carbon make 4 bond. Total 4 bond done. And it means, okay, total 4 bond done. If you calculate here in valence electron for one system, you will calculate only 1, not 2. Example, you will consider this as one hybridization number. You will consider this as hybridization number 1. Total number 2. What will be hybridization in this case? SP. What will be the shape? Linear. Okay, what will be the shape? Linear. What will be the angle? 180. Everything will be same like PCl2. Ask me guys, any doubt? Hybridization number will be 2 because every bond between two atom will be considered one hybridization number. Okay, and one interesting thing I want to tell you, there is no concept of hybridization number in your chemistry subject. It's just I made this to make it easy. If you want to calculate hybridization, just name it as hybridization number. Discovered by Mr. Deepak. Okay, there is no existence of such concept in full chemistry or physics or anything. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here, BF3, boron atomic number 5, first cell 2, second cell 3. So valence electron are 3. All 3 valence electrons are occupied with the help of the bond pair. So what will be the bond pair? 3. What is it lone pair? Nothing. So total hybridization number 3. If total hybridization number is 3, 1s, 2p, total 3. Whenever you get number 3, your shape will be trigonal planar, always. Not here. Whenever you get sp2 hybridization without lone pair, it will be this and angle will be 120 always. Okay. I will summarize this. If you take CS4, carbon atomic number 6, first shell 2, second shell 4. So valence electron 4. 4 are occupied by the hydrogen. So only bond pair, no lone pair. Okay. So total hybridization number 4. 1s3p. Total 4. Okay. Whenever you have sp3 hybridization, you know shape is always tetrahedral. Geometry is always tetrahedral. Any doubt, guys? PCl5. Phosphorus atomic number 15. First shell 2, second shell 8, third shell 5. So valence electron 5. All are forming bond pair, no lone pair. Addition of them is 5. So hybridization number 5, 1s, 3p, and 1d. Total 5. Whenever you will get 5 hybridization sp3d, it will be always trigonal pyramidal. These shape are fixed. 4sp linear, sp2 trigonal planar, sp3 tetrahedral, sp3d trigonal bipyramidal. There are only 5 shapes. Don't worry. Don't feel you how we will remember this. There are only 5 shapes. Don't worry.
Sir,
Yes, Pratigya.
the class कब
ये क्लास मुद्दतों तक है, मुद्दतों तक. बस अभी आई विल टेक ब्रेक बिकॉज somebody is calling me just की मुझे ये करना था important.
But till when will you take?
I think minimum 6:15 because 15 minutes I will take like person came. In sulfur, atomic number 16, first shell 2, second shell 8, third shell 6. The valence electron 6. All 6 are occupied by the fluorine. So that's why hybridization number 6. 1s, 3p, 2d. Total 6. Okay, sp3d hybridization and shape is always octahedral. That's all. Here you will always have 90-degree angle. This means 90-degree angle. And done. These are the common shape will do and same thing I wrote here. In case of BeCl2, angle was 180, shape was linear, and hybridization was sp. In BF3, angle was 120, shape was trigonal planar, and hybridization was sp2. CS4, angle 109.5 tetrahedral structure, sp3 hybridization. PCl5, angle will be 90 as well as 120. We'll discuss this again in detail. Trigonal bipyramidal and hybridization will be sp3d. And if you have SF6, angle only 90-degree, octahedral, hybridization will be sp3d2. Done. Only these kind of compound you have sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, and sp3d2. Mostly. Okay, most. This is only with the bond pair without any lone pair. Guys, is it getting too much? I'm feeling like it's easy, even for you to understand, isn't it?
Yes.
Pratigya,
हाँ सर
बहुत आसान लग रहा है ना करना बरिंदर.
हाँ
Anvita,
Sir.
Sara.
Yes, sir.
See, even just only few things are left, and we are almost done with the 80% of the chapter. Trust me, 80% of the chapter. So you take 15-minute break. By then, I'll finish my some of the chore. So, but I will. So I already said this and we discussed this. Okay, if you take BCl2 example, angle will be 180 degree between the two bond, shape is linear, and sp will be this. Not only here, whenever हाँ ज्यादा हाँ ठीक है अच्छा इसके अलग होते हैं ठीक है ठीक ओके नेक्स्ट I already said कि here we will talk about lone pair and bond pair. Together you will get hybridization number, and this hybridization number will decide your hybridization. Okay, it will decide your hybridization. Example in case of ammonia, you know nitrogen atomic number is 7, first shell 2, second shell 5 electron. Okay, so in this case what will happen? Outermost shell have total 5 electron, valence electron 5. In this outermost shell, what will happen? Only 3 atoms are available for bonds because you know hydrogen form only single bond. So 3 atoms are available for the bond. What will happen to the remaining 2 electrons? They will not form bond. Such pair is known as lone pair. Such pair. I will call Pratigya also. I told her I will call her once I will take class. हेलो हेलो हाँ प्रतिज्ञा क्लास मैंने स्टार्ट कर दी है 5 मिनट पहले तो आ जाओ अभी स्टार्ट नहीं किया तो मैं वहां से स्टार्ट कर दूंगा जल्दी जल्दी आई गोट योर रिजल्ट टुडेज रिजल्ट और बरिंदर एंड सारा लेट मी शेयर बरिंदर डन वाओ बरिंदर you are getting maximum score in physics good let me check Sarah's हाँ चाय पानी बना लेते हैं थोड़े बना दे सारा you are improving because the day you attended the class, it is improving a lot because you are getting a lot of sleeps. Okay, so this is done. I'll get all other people marks very soon and I'll send you to are done. Sigya came? Not yet. What she is doing? Okay, so you know out of 5 electrons. हाँ जी हाँ जी हो गया हाँ एक बार चाय पानी पी लो फिर उसके बाद करते हैं हाँ कैश देना या ऑनलाइन कर दिया कैश देना मम्मी बटुआ कतो है मेरा मेरे पे है आप पे 100 रुपये खुले आगे हैं देखियो एक बार बात कर मम्मी चर्चा है किधर उधर है हाँ चर्चा है देख मैं तेरा 500 दे दी सो गाइस When we talk about this, we know hybridization number is really important. Here you see three electron are forming bond with hydrogen, so bond pair 3, and two electron are freely available, that is one lone pair. Total number is 4. So your hybridization will be 1s and 3p, total 4. हाँ जी है ठीक है आप ले जाओ. Understood, guys? So what it is written, if you get a hybridization number HN1, it means only S. If you get two number, then SP, three number SP2, then four number SP3, five number SP3D, and six number SP3D2. Remember, S maximum value is 1, P maximum value is 3, D maximum value 5. This is more than enough for all your questions. Correct? And sometime you get question like 7. So SP3D3. SP3D3. Okay? SP3D3. Okay. Example here in S2. Oxygen number, atomic number of oxygen is 8. First shell 2, second shell 6. It means total 6 electrons are available for the bond, but only 2 are forming bond. It will be given to you. Only 2 bonds are available. It means remaining 4 electrons are free. So they will form 2 lone pair. They will form 2 lone pair. When they form 2 lone pair and 2 bond pair, total number 4. Hybridization is still same, but angle will be different and shape will be different. It should be tetrahedral, but 2 are not available, so they are forming V shape or bend shape, as it look like V here. Right? So it is V shape or bend shape. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Example in XeF2. If you see just looking at this molecule, you can at least say here bond pair will be 2. You don't know anything else, but you know bond pair is 2. And xenon is a noble gas. And in noble gas, maximum valence electron can be 8. Maximum valence electron is 8. 2 are forming bond pair. What will be the number of lone pair, Anvitaya? What will be the number of lone pair? Total electron 8. 2 are forming bond pair. What is the total number of electron?
Lone pair will
6.
be 3.
Lone pair will be 3 because remember 3 pair. Lone pair, not lone pair electron. Lone pair. Okay. So what will be the total number? Sarah in this case.
5.
And hybridization.
SP.
Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
SP3D. Because total number is 5. 1S, 3P and 1D. Total 5. Correct? And whenever there is a 5, it should be trigonal bipyramidal. How trigonal bipyramidal look like? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Every angle will be 120 degree in trigonal bipyramidal. Every angle will be 120 degree. It's like you take a triangle and you put 3 pen together at their tip. 3 pen together. So they will be 120, 120, 120 with each other. On your hand, you have 3 pen together, each at angle this. Then you will take one pen above perpendicular and one pen below perpendicular. Okay. So it will be like one up and one down. Okay. So this shape will be trigonal and one pyramid up, one pyramid down, bipyramidal. Okay. These up and down bond are known as axial bond, and these bond are known as equatorial bond. Because in axial bond they are exactly opposite to each other, there will be maximum repulsion. So whenever you get five number, whenever you get sp3 dehybridization, it will be always trigonal bipyramidal. It should be, I would say, it should be always trigonal bipyramidal logically, because total five bond in trigonal bipyramidal, it is fine. I got result of Pratigya and Anvita. How was your paper last paper, guys? Yesterday's paper.
Physics was bad.
Physics was bad. Chemistry
It's okay.
and biology.
Both chem and bio were okay. I don't know how will I get, but physics was bad.
Okay. Pratigya,
हाँ सर.
how was this paper?
Yeah, okay sir.
Easy, medium, tough.
Medium.
Okay. But you are improving in your physics a lot. Next time, I will tell all of you. Uh, Anvita, you were really good in chemistry.
Hmm.
Did I send
Okay.
answer key yesterday?
No, I don't think so.
Your answer key was ready yesterday already. Chandana, even you got highest marks in physics. And remember, you are getting lot of syllabus, which is a good sign. Ki all of you are improving. No doubt, you have to do a lot. This is not sufficient. This is a small test, but small changes will reflect the long term. The only major concern I have with you is negative marking. If you don't know, absolutely fine, but you can't do wrong. That is crime in NEET. So I send marks to the Chandana. हाँ प्रतिज्ञा हाँ प्रतिज्ञा sure sure take care okay take care so I have sent marks to Chandana, Anvita, Pratigya, Sara and Varinder.
So till when will you take the class?
I will finish in the next 15 minutes and then I'll give you 1 hour break. Let me finish this. Okay. So what happened? Key logically there if there are 5 bonds, 3 will be triangular shape as you can see here. 1, 2, and 3. It will be triangular shape. Okay. And one up and one
Nothing.
below will be bipyramidal. Got it? Now what happened? In this case, there should be total 5 bonds. But how many are available? Only 2. Anvita, you were saying something? Anvita, you were saying something?
Sir, I just said that I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay, sure.
No,
So
I'm done.
I
I'm here.
should. So it should be total 5 bond triangle bipyramidal. But in reality, it is linear shape. Right? In reality, it is linear shape. How do we know? Because one is up, another is down, nothing else. Linear shape. Remember, geometry is decided. Shape of the geometry is mainly decided by the bond pair, not lone pair. Okay. As you can see here, key. There are 2 bond pair, 3 lone pair, total 5 sp3d. Anybody have doubts?
No, sir.
So, Pratigya, tell me in this situation, you have HCF4, what will be your bond pair? 4, because 4 fluorine. What will be the valence electron? Chandana,
Sir, 8.
8. What will be the lone pair? Two, correct?
Yes, sir.
Total bond pair 4 because fluorine. Total valence electron 8 because noble gas. Lone pair 8 minus 4, 4 electron and 2 lone pair, right? So what will be the hybridization number, Chandana?
6.
6. What will be the hybridization?
Sir, sp3d2.
Exactly. Done. So what should be the shape for such compound?
Octahedral.
For any 6 number, it should be always octahedral. But do you think you have 6 bond pair?
No, sir.
No, we have only 4. What will happen to remaining 2 lone pair? So in what should happen in any octahedral situation? Example, you have any element here. So one bond pair, second bond pair, third bond pair, fourth bond pair. Okay, fifth up and sixth down. It's like you take a square in your hand. It will be kept on your hand, 2D structure. Then one pyramid up, one pyramid down. Okay, so it is like square bipyramidal or octahedral. Okay, logically it should be like this. Okay, but what happened here? We don't have 2 bond pair. Instead, we will have lone pair here. Now, Chandan, tell me what should be the shape in this case?
Sir, square bipyramidal.
Yes, it will be square. No, no, not bipyramidal because lone pair do not contribute in the shape. It is square planar. Square planar or square have same meaning. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Any doubt? Next, Sarah. No, you already told. Anvita, how many valence electron you have in this case? Janun,
So 4,
Janun is a noble guess.
8, 8, 8.
8. Uh, Next, what will be the bond pair in case of fluorine? 2. What
Yes,
will be bond pair in oxygen? 2.
2
Number
only.
of atom. Remember, number of atom does not depend upon the number of bond. It depends only on number of atom. So what will be the total bond pair?
4,
What will be lone pair
2.
electron? Lone pair electron.
Oh, 4.
Answer is no. Why? Because oxygen is forming double bond. Fluorine forms single bond. That's why no issue with the fluorine. But oxygen form double bond. Imagine you have xenon here. This is xenon. There are 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. So, one, here you have one oxygen. Here you have second oxygen. Here you have one fluorine. Here you have next fluorine. Tell me what will happen? What will be the number of lone pair in this situation, Anvita? Anvita, what will be the lone pair in this case? 6 electrons are already involved in the bond pair.
So, lone pair will be 1, na?
Exactly. Understood? So, remember, whenever we are calculating lone pair plus bond pair, it is applicable only when you have all single bond atom. Okay? Bond is only single bond. Only then it is applicable. If you have double bond, you have to take care of double bond. Understood, guys? Because now we can see already 6 electrons of the xenon are involved in the bond pair. How many are present? Only one lone pair. Correct? So if one lone pair is present, lone pair will be 1. What will be the total number? 5. What will be the hybridization, Anvita? Anvita, hybridization.
So, tetrahedron.
Hybridization, not geometry.
Oh, okay, yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir. So, what will be the geometry though?
It should be trigonal bipyramidal. Should be. Okay. It should be in 5 trigonal bipyramidal. Should be trigonal bipyramidal, but it is not. Why? It should be means when all the bond pair are present. But here you don't have all bond pair. One is lone pair, correct? One is lone pair. What will happen? This geometry, this is known as seesaw shape. Very important. Seesaw shape. Okay, seesaw shape.
Sir,
Any doubt, guys?
then why we are considering the lone pair in HCF2?
Just give me a minute. दूसरे पाए लागू मेरी सरकार लग गया हाँ हाँ रख लिया ना लेकिन आप खुद ही बता देंगे उससे सोनू में था लेकिन मैंने बताया कौन उसने मेरा भूल लग गई कहना सही याद आ दिया उसका कह दिया मैंने अरे कोई नहीं फिर भी आपने कह दिया मुझे कुछ वो अर्दान ना तो बता दी लेकिन यार थोड़ी सी टूट रही थी हाँ बस यूँ कर दिया बिल्कुल यूँ कर दिया और वो सामान आ गया सीलिंग का भी हाँ सामान तैर दिया हाँ अच्छा ठीक है तो कल ना तो स्लेब और ये सारा सिस्टम तैयार हो जाएगा
और क्वाड वाला कदा होगा
क्वाड वाला को नहीं आया यार आज तो यार दो को नहीं आया उसका तरफ फोन करके मेरे को बता ठीक so guys so any doubt in this yes Chandana you were asking question
Sir, then why we are considering the lone pair for geometry in HCF2?
HCF2
Xenon F2.
Xenon F2 yeah so why we are considering
Lone pair.
no we are not considering lone pair see when you saw shape it is linear shape only bond pair are considered
Yes, sir, sorry.
in every time there is only bond see here only bond pair are considered and according to bonds it look like square according to bond it look like seesaw correct seesaw shape cutter okay so again I wrote the same thing example if you have this element this compound bond angle is 180 in this case shape is linear your hybridization number is 2 and that's why and here and this is the angle 180 degree okay then if you take BF3 angle is 120 degree how do we know see this is 120 this is 120 this is 120 remember one thing doesn't matter whatever is the compound if hybridization number is 2 give me that hello हाँ मिस्त्री पक्का चलो सारा काम करना है निमट जाएगा अरे यू एल्यूमिनियम गेट का कितना भाई हाँ ना ना पहला इनका करांगे लैट्रिन बाथरूम वाला पहला लिपाइयो का वो कर होगी तो पहला गेट वहां पूछ लिया उसका सैनी तो पूछना पड़ा कुकर जो सब बंदा कह गया था ठीक है फिर आप कहना बिजी हो ठीक गुण बच रहे आगे हाँ ना 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 मैं कहना सामान मंगा दिया तो बढ़िया सा बनवा दो एक नंबर का बना रखे मैं आऊँ आ जाऊंगा एक थोड़ी देर में ठीक है हाँ ठीक yes guys so if number is 2 hybridization will be always sp and shape will be linear if no lone pair if number is 3 hybridization is always sp2 and shape will be always trigonal planar if no lone pair but maximum number of question asked only from these three configuration if hybridization number is 4 it will be sp3 shape will be tetrahedral and you can see bond angle will be 109.5 degree. Okay. If you see, mostly you ask only these three. Hybridization number 5, it will be sp3d. If you see these three angle, it will be 120, 120, 120. And if you see up and lower, it will be 90 and 90. Bipyramidal is 90, 90. Last, if you see at number 6, it will be sp3d2. Hybrid shape will be octahedral only, and all angle will be 90 degrees. Example is this. Okay. You have only these numbers. Trust me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 linear, 3 trigonal bipyramidal, trigonal planar, 4 tetrahedral, 5 trigonal bipyramidal, and 6 octahedral. That's all. I'll show you in questions. Okay. In one of the question, like we did this from the question. If you talk about the dipole moment depend upon the number of lone pair also, whether it is in the same direction or opposite direction. Second, if you get number 7, you know it should be sp3d3, total 7, sp3d3, total 7. Okay. So 6 are bond, and in one of the question, it was like lone pair. It was like lone pair. So you will call it as distorted octahedral. Your octahedral shape is distorted by the lone pair. Make sense, guys? Okay.
Yes.
And last, if you take carbon-carbon single bond, it is sp3 hybridization, carbon-carbon double bond, sp2 hybridization, and carbon-carbon triple bond, sp hybridization. We know this from organic chemistry. And if your carbon, double bond carbon, double bond carbon like this, then you know that this carbon will have sp hybridization. This carbon sp2, this carbon is also sp2. Okay, sp2, sp2. Any doubt, guys? And we covered 80% of the chapter. Only one main topic left, MOT, nothing else. Okay, so theory is done. Go through it for just 5 minutes because you already did previous part. Just for 5 minutes, I am here only. And then I will start 5-10, like I'll do 5-10 questions, then we'll end the session.
So I'm really tired. Can I watch the video for the questions part later?
Okay. What about other people? Anybody have issue?
No, sir.
So can I
Sarah?
not feeling well?
Okay, sure.
No, sir.
Okay. Varinder, am I audible to you? Yeah, Anvita, sure. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Varinder, if I'm audible to you, disconnect and join again. So, Chandana, in formal charge, we want to know what is the charge on the every atom for a given compound to us. Okay, how it will be given to us? Let me show. Example. Here you have three oxygen, one, two, and three. You have double bond like this and like this. Not two, one bond. Here you have six electrons. Here you have two electrons, and here you have four electrons. Okay, and we this will be given to you, and it will be asked what is the charge on every atom, and charge on every atom is known as formal charge. What is the method? First, check valency of the atom. Example, if you take oxygen, for oxygen valency is always 6 because you know oxygen atomic number 8, first shell 2, second shell 6. Then check lone pair given in the question. In the question, as you can see, there are 4 lone pair electron. So I wrote 4 pair electron. And now check number of bond pair electron. What is the total number of bond pair electron? Bond pair electron. So total bond you can see are 2. So sorry, 2 bond pair and 4 bond pair electron. Correct. So total electron in this situation are 4. How? 2 bond pair and half of this. Why half? Because it is equally shared between the two atoms. That's why half sharing. So if you check here, no charge on the first atom. Second atom, you can see in case of second atom, well, for oxygen valency will be same 6. If you see lone pair, 2 lone pair electron is given. Bond pair, 2 bond pair on the left hand side and 1 on the right hand side. Total 6 bond pair electron. Total 6 bond pair electron and divided by 2. In doubt, Sandana?
No, sir.
And last formal charge, lone pair, sorry, valence electron 6. What is the lone pair electron? 6. What is the bond pair? Only 1 this side. So 2.
Yes, sir,
Correct?
understood.
Sara, any doubt?
No, sir.
Ask me more question.
So, Chandana, you asked Fajan's rule. Remember, when we are talking about the ionic compound, no compound is 100% ionic, no compound is 100% covalent. So, whenever you take majority ionic compound, there will be some percentage of covalent nature also. It's like no person is perfectly right, no person is perfectly wrong. Majority of people are good with some percent of bad nature. Correct? Same thing. Good behavior ionic and some part of the covalent means evil nature. Okay. So, in this case, we want to know what is the impact of cation and anion. What I wrote here, if cation is small, then covalent character will be more. If anion is big, covalent character will be more. Any doubt? Chandana? Both these characters, small cation and big anion, are responsible for the covalent character. Got it? Chandana, any doubt? Chandana, are you there? No, she is having issue. Sarah, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Hmm. Chandana, what did you miss?
Sir, I was there up to cation and anion.
Yes. So I said, if cation size is small, then more covalent character. Anion size is big, more covalent character. So these two factors are responsible for the covalent behavior. Okay, these two changes are responsible for the increase in the covalent character. Any doubt, Chandana?
No, sir.
Second, we are saying if you increase the charge on the cation, if you increase charge on cation, then covalent character also increase. We already said, because more charge on the cation means small size, and small size means more covalent character. Any doubt? Right? If you compare size, Chandana, of magnesium 2 positive and aluminium 3 positive, which one is bigger?
So magnesium.
Magnesium 2 positive is bigger. It means aluminium is smaller. Small cation have more covalent character. That's what we written here. Because we know aluminium is small, covalent character will be more.
Yes, sir, understood.
Next, if you compare aluminium and iron, both have 3 positive charge. Correct? So you cannot compare based on the charge. But you can compare key because iron is smaller in size. Because iron is small in size and small size cation more covalent character. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt, Chandana?
No,
Yes. Sure. So you want to know how to calculate bond pair and lone pair?
Yeah, sir, I read it now. I almost got it.
Hmm.
Sir, you can explain it again. Be fully clear.
Okay. To calculate what is the number of bond pair and lone pair, first rule is you should know what is the number of valence electron of given atom. You should know number of valence electron. Okay. Example. Here you take beryllium. You should know first what is the atomic number of the beryllium. We know atomic number of beryllium is 4. So first shell 2 electron, second shell 2 electron. So number of valence electron is 2. Okay. Number of valence electron is 2. It means here valence electron will be 2. Any doubt, Sarah?
No, sir, no doubt.
Second, whatever is the number of atom given, and if it is monoatomic, then it will be equal to number of bond pair. So number of bond pair is number of bond. It will be 2 because 2 chlorine are given. Okay. So valence electron is done, bond pair is done. Now, you know that you want to calculate number of lone pair. How to calculate number of lone pair electron? The simplest way is total number of valence electron is 2. Total number of bond pair is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So what will be number of lone pair electron? 0. What will be lone pair? 0. Remember, number of lone pair is half of the lone pair electron, because one lone pair contains 2 electrons. That's the reason. Any doubts, Sarah?
No, sir.
Same thing you can do here. If you compare, boron have atomic number 5. So first shell 2, second shell 3. So valence electron 3. Okay. So what will be valence electron? 3. Sarah, what is the bond pair in this case?
3, sir.
3. What will be lone pair?
0.
0. Lone pair electron will be 0. Lone pair will be 0. Done.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Got it.
In case of CH4, what is the valence electron?
Mm,
Yes, sir.
4,
Valence
sir.
electron 4. What is the number of bond pair?
4.
What will be lone pair?
4. I mean 0, 0.
Because
Lone
4
pair
minus
means
4,
0.
0.
Yeah.
Done. You just need more practice. So what is the valence electron in phosphorus?
Oh.
Valence electron in phosphorus?
Maybe
5th group,
8.
group 15.
Yeah, so valence electron 5. Yeah.
Group 15. So atomic number is also 15. So first shell 2, second shell 8, third shell 5. So valence electron 5. What is the
Yes, sir.
bond pair in this case?
5.
So if bond pair is 5, valence electron is 5, what will be lone pair?
0.
0. Done.
Yes, sir.
But you will face main issue when there is different, like you have lone pair also. Example in this case. What is the valence electron in this case?
5. 5, so
5. What is the number of bond pair?
3.
3. What will be the number of lone pair electron?
2.
What will be number of lone pair?
Lone pair will be 2, sir.
1. Lone pair electron 2. Lone pair 1.
Okay.
Right? So and we know our hybridization number is equal to bond pair 3, lone pair 1. So what will be hybridization?
SP2. SP3. SP3.
So just focus on the where you will make mistake only where you don't have this, like where you have your lone pair. Example, in this case, oxygen is our main atom. So what is the valence electron in oxygen?
6. 4, sir. 6. Yeah, 6.
First, for atomic number 8.
Yes, sir.
Atomic number 8. So first shell
8.
6, second shell 6. What is bond pair?
2.
So what will be lone pair electron?
4.
What will be lone pair? Half of the lone pair electron, because
Yes, sir.
so
So lone pair is half of lone pair electron.
yes, because one lone pair contain 2 electrons. 2 lone pair will contain 4 electrons. Done.
Okay, sir.
What will be hybridization number?
Um,
Or what will be hybridization?
SP3.
Done. Now it look easy.
Yes, sir.
Last. What is the valence electron in this case?
Eight.
8 because nobody guessed. What will be bond pair?
2.
So what will be lone pair electron?
6.
What will be lone pair?
3.
What will be hybridization number?
Uh, SP3. SP3D.
Now it look easy.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt from this whole topic?
No, sir.
So guys, through this we covered 80% of the chapter, one of the biggest chapter, just in one class. But still we have to solve question to get clarity. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Sarah, any other doubt?
No, sir.
Just let's solve few questions and then I will end the session. Chemical bond. If you see H2O, H2O, ammonia and Cl3, what will happen? Is this dipole moment correct option? Oxygen with 2 hydrogen and 2 lone pair. Ammonia with 3 hydrogen and 1 lone pair. And CHCl3. Cl, Cl, Cl. This is correct. Correct? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarah,
No,
what will
sir.
be the number of lone pair in this?
So 4.
Number of lone pair. What you said is lone pair electron. 8 minus 4, 4. Lone pair electron. Lone
Lone
pair.
pair will be
2. Correct? Lone pair electron 8. Lone pair will be 2. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Chandana, what will be lone pair in this case? They are asking lone pair, na? Huh. Any doubt? Chandana? Total valence electron is 8. 3 oxygen form double bond. That's why 6 bond pair. Correct?
Yes.
Like 3 bond pair, but 6 bond pair electron. So bond lone pair electron will be 2, lone pair will be 1. How do I know? You can make diagram. If you take xenon, then xenon 1, 2, 3, and this will be lone pair. Makes sense? You can check number of electrons. We made diagram of this. And next, this. Sarah.
Then xenon will be 8 minus 2 will be 6.
So lone pair 3. Is this sequence correct?
No, sir, it's not.
So A is correct. So you can eliminate these two. And B is not correct. Right? So A is correct, B is not correct. So it means you can eliminate B and D. Now look at the D option. Chandana. Nitrogen, oxygen, and this. So nitrogen means nitrogen, nitrogen, triple bond. Oxygen means oxygen, oxygen, double bond. Hydrogen means hydrogen, hydrogen, single bond. Where will be, is this correct order?
Yes, sir.
This is correct. So D will be correct. Make sense? Make sense?
Can you show D option?
Bond enthalpy.
Okay, okay, sir.
So you can add in your notes also. Through the question, we can add more content. Bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy. Order is same as bond order. Okay. It means bond enthalpy BE or bond enthalpy directly proportional to bond order. More bond order, more bond enthalpy, and bond length will reduce. We already wrote this. I'm just writing for the practice. Example. If you take nitrogen, nitrogen because triple bond, oxygen, oxygen because double bond, and hydrogen, hydrogen means single bond. So if you take bond enthalpy order, then this makes sense. If they
Yes,
ask
sir.
what will be the bond length in this case, it will be ulta. Bond length will be maximum in hydrogen. Why? Single bond. Bond length. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. But as I always mention, we have to always take care of the this also. We know this is definitely wrong. But why and how? Example, if you see this bond length, if you have example, if you take in this situation, then nitrogen and oxygen have high electronegativity, okay? And electronegativity difference is minimum, so bond length will be maximum. So I will mention this concept also. Though we don't need for the NEET 2025, this was enough, but still we will discuss this question. Bond length. You will see if electronegativity difference is more, if electronegativity difference is more, then bond length will be less. Okay. If uh, if electronegativity difference is less, so your bond length will be more. Any doubt, guys?
So, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Example, if you say, if you take chlorine, electronegativity difference is 0, less. So bond length will be more. But if you take HCl, here electronegativity difference is more. So bond length will be less. They will be closer to each other. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Done. Now compare with this. Nitrogen and oxygen have almost comparable bond electronegativity. So bond length will be maximum. Oxygen and hydrogen have maximum electronegativity difference. So this value will be minimum. And carbon, hydrogen. Like now you can compare this with this. Here electronegativity is more. Here electronegativity is less. Everything else is same. It means here difference will be high. More high electronegative difference. They will attract each other. Bond length decrease. Here it will be slightly more. Understood? And by the way, all these things are given in NCERT in the ditto PDF form. Chandana, XeO3. What will be the hybridization? And shape. Is this correct? sp3 and pyramidal. Even ammonia is the pyramidal shape. Ammonia is pyramidal shape and it look like exactly ammonia. So this is also pyramidal. Everything look like ammonia in this case. Did we do this part? XeO3, XeO3, XeO3. It should be here. No, XeO3 is not given, so we'll do here. If you take XeO3, then what will happen? Valence electron will be 8. Bond pair will be considered 3. Bond pair electron will be 6. Lone pair electron, you will take 8 minus 6, 2. So lone pair will be 1. Your hybridization number, lone pair plus bond pair. This is 1, bond pair 3, total 4. What will be hybridization, Chandana?
sp3.
What will be the shape?
Square pyramid.
Pyramidal.
Yes, sir.
Like ammonia. Okay. So you can write here like ammonia. Next, Sarah, XeF2.
The sp3d. No, sp3d2.
Valence electron 8. Bond pair 2, 6. Lone pair 3. 3 and 2, 5. sp3d. Linear shape, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, Chandana, HCOF4. This is, we need to do, though you can do without explaining, but still I will explain this because we'll discuss maximum number of questions. XeOF4. What is the valence electron, Chandana? What is bond pair? 4 fluorine, 1 oxygen, total 5. Correct? Bond pair electron. We will consider bond pair electron only in case of double bond. So 4 for fluorine and 4 for fluorine and 2 for oxygen, total 6. So what will be lone pair electron? 8 minus 6, 2, and lone pair will be 2. Chandana, Sara, any doubt?
So can I explain bond pair electron?
Yes, Chandana?
No, sir, nothing. I understood.
So your bond pair is 5. Your lone pair is 1. Total number 6. What will be hybridization in this case?
Sir, how lone pair is 1?
Lone pair electron were 2. So lone pair will be 1. One lone
Yeah,
pair
sir.
have 2 electron. Na?
Yeah, sir.
And logically, if we see, it should be 6. So it should be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. For fluorine, equal distribution, symmetry. 5th will be oxygen. It should be 6th, should be present, but you know what will happen. Make sense? So it should be octahedral, but in reality, what is the shape of this molecule? Square pyramidal. What is square? FFF, all are square. One bond, pyramidal. Square pyramidal. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Sarah?
No, sir.
So it is square pyramidal. Sarah, XTF6.
It'll be 2, no, sir.
So lone pair will be 1. Na?
Oh.
Total number, hybridization number 7. 6, bond pair 1 lone.
sp3d3.
sp3d3. So I discuss in one of the XTF6, this 7. See, sp3d3. Correct. I have done this once before also, but only in the short I have written. I am not able to see, so we will do this because we will have this as permanent notes for the quick revision also. XeF6. So we know what is the valence electron? 8.
8.
What will be the bond pair?
6.
6. What will be lone pair?
1.
Total 7. Hybridization
sp3d3.
so it should be 7. Janun 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 are bond pair and 1 will be lone pair. And lone pair will destroy everything. So this is known as distorted octahedral. Any doubts?
No, sir.
So as you can see, there are questions from this. And interesting thing is, Chandana, we did the same thing last year also. Like before that, we did dipole moment, everything. Correct? So
Yes.
NEET never ask question like too much out of the NCRT. Third question. See, if you take hypothetical atomic molecule with the bond order 0 is quite stable. Anything with 0 bond order is stable. It means no bond exists between them. Does it? Will it exist?
No, sir.
Answer is no. If bond order is 0 means no bond exists between, let's take any element. No bond exists between them. They can't be stable together because there is no bond. Sarah, if bond order increase, bond length also increase.
No, sir. But yeah, inversely proportional.
Inversely. You know, whenever bond order increase, more bond, then bond length will decrease. Same thing we did. See, here bond order increase, bond length decrease. So now, do you think in NEET 2025, at least chemistry was not difficult?
Yes, sir.
You did 3 questions. Tell me any of the question was difficult.
No, sir.
If people are not able to do this, the only thing we can see here is they didn't prepare well. So they can't blame oh, paper was really difficult, really difficult. I understand physics was difficult for sure, but I am not exaggerating. 20 physics question were doable, correct? At least 20 question were doable, Chandana.
Yes, sir.
In chemistry, everybody said it was easy. So can we say 40 question in chemistry were doable?
Yes, sir.
Maybe 3, 4 question anybody can do mistake. In biology, though not even a single question was out of NCRT, but at least we can say 80 were doable in biology. Let's take 5, 7 question difficult, or like we were not able to get enough time, or some silly mistake, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
If anybody do this, what is the total number of question?
140.
140. 140 multiplied by 4, what should have been score? Let's take in chemistry, you made mistake in the 5 question, 10 mistake in the physics, 10 mistake here, minus 25, correct? At least 535 was achievable score. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Am I exaggerating this?
No, sir.
So people who are blaming system, paper was very difficult, this. If person is not getting this, let's make it slightly less. Example, let's take it 35. 35 multiplied by 4. So 100 question will be 400. And here 35, 35, it will be 70, 140. Then 540 was achievable. Then you made 10 mistake in each subject, 10, 10 minus 30. 510 was achievable at least. Can we say that? I am taking minimum number, not the maximum number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And if it was achievable score, just imagine if person, whoever, not like calling anybody's specific name, whoever got less than 510, can you say they didn't study properly? Yes or no?
Because of the plenty paper.
What? Because of?
Questions are plenty.
Yes, that's why we took only 20 question na, in physics. We didn't take 35, 40. We are not talking about the topper people. Bare minimum. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
We are talking about bare minimum. 35 was like the score you could get if you would have read better. Like anybody. In general, we are talking about any NEET aspirant. In biology, 80 you could do, right? And 10 you are making mistake.
Yes, sir.
Can you say whoever did not get 510 minimum or 520, it means they didn't study properly? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. But imagine that's the reason why I am telling all of you ki I am giving you guarantee of selection. Just do what I am saying. It's not ki paper is difficult. Trust me, paper is not. I understand becoming the first ranker is really difficult. Getting rank in top 100 or top 1000 is really difficult. I do agree. But we are talking about the scoring marks so you can get into MBBS. Just that number. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So if student is not getting this, it is not because there is heavy competition. It is 100% student mistake. Make sense? 100% student mistake. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now you feel ki this year it is achieve, like it is possible to achieve.
What, sir?
To achieve the MBBS rank, government MBBS seat. Because if last year you didn't do, it is 100% your mistake.
Yes, sir. It's my mistake.
Yes. And everybody, if accept this, ki it was their mistake, not like paper was tough, not like there is huge competition, because 95% students don't read properly. Remember this number. 95% people do not read this. What was the rank at 510? Probably, I guess, 40,000, 40 to 50,000. I guess 50,000. It means out of 50 lakh people, out of 50 lakh people, no, sorry, my bad, 22 lakh, not 50 lakh. Out of 22 lakh people who wrote NEET exam, only 50,000 were reading something. It was no, I'm not talking about topper. I'm not talking about you should be extremely good, but you should be bare minimum. So if you compare this number, what is the 1% of 22 lakh? 22,000. What will be 2% of this? 44K. Imagine just, I said 95. In reality, 98% people do not study properly. They just increase the crowd. Okay. That's why people will tell you, oh, NEET exam is very tough, huge competition. Imagine thousands of people are studying in Allen, lakhs of people are studying in PW, lakhs of people are studying in XYZ coaching institute, because lakhs of people are not serious. They are just crowd. They just want on social media, YouTube or Instagram, some sympathy or some kind of content. Because in reality, it is achievable, because 98% people are just crowd. People will tell you, oh, NEET exam is extremely tough. Lakhs of people write this exam. Yes, that's true. But are lakhs of people serious enough? That's the reason I give 100% guarantee of your selection. 100%. But just follow blindly. Nothing else. Just follow blindly. 100% guarantee. Why I am giving? Because I just want to make sure you are in 2% people. I'm not making you topper. I can't give you guarantee you will get in top 1000 rank. Nobody can give. I can't give. But I can give you guarantee of selection. Reason? Because I know it's very easy to achieve this 2%. How? Just do bare minimum. Just to understand the topic. Just do top. Because there will be 5-10 difficult topic. Majority of people can't do. You do easy one properly. Got it, guys?
Yes.
You
Yes.
know why? Because, example, Chandana, you must be thinking, ki, sir, I am in graduation. Is it worth it to focus 100% on NEET, or just I should write exam? Sometime you will get this dilemma, right? Sometime.
No, sir. Never.
Never. That's great. I'm happy with that. But you will get the dilemma whether I will be able to crack NEET or not, right? That is dilemma for sure.
Sometimes.
Sometime. But after this discussion, do you agree that it is easy to get in 2%?
Yes, sir.
It will be difficult to be in this part. It will be extremely difficult in 0.1%. 0.1% means 2K rank. But it is possible to get this rank. And at what rank you will get MBBS in Karnataka? Probably 90,000 or 1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Imagine, I said 98% people are not serious enough. And you have to be in top 5%, like 4 to 5%. Still you will get MBBS government seat. That's why who are from Karnataka, I can give you guarantee for sure. Guarantee. I can give you proper legal document where I'll show you yes. If you don't get, you will get double money back. This is the reason for me to explain. Okay. Uh, Sarah, were you thinking once we started ki sir, NEET is really difficult? I I just want to focus on the board also because I need to do better in my boards. Sarah,
Yes, sir.
do you think like it is difficult to get NEET after this discussion?
Yes, sir, I just went through the paper
Huh.
like just now, and then there were like many questions. What you thought?
Mm.
Sir, like whatever you thought, I could answer those. Like there were like many logic gates questions,
Exactly.
and then yeah, sir, like what like exact questions.
Exactly. The reason why it's not like I am teaching extraordinary. Trust me, even if other teacher teach, more or less they will teach same thing, right, Chandana? More or less.
Yes, sir.
But the problem is they will teach a lot. A lot means a lot. People will finish one chapter of semiconductor in 1 month. That is the problem. And that's the only reason why at least 10% people don't get. See, I understand. If, example, at 510, there are 1 lakh people who got 510. You can say there is actually cutthroat competition, right? Only at 510, there are 1 lakh people only at this rank. Your rank in 510 is like 7 lakh 20,000. Then there is definitely cutthroat competition. You can't compete. Like, it's not like you can't compete. It's like it will be difficult to get MBBS if this is the situation. But imagine you get 40,000 rank in this. It means only these 40,000 people are just serious, not like extremely serious. So after this discussion, I said everything. What you felt, Sarah?
But I should have joined your classes way before, sir.
Okay, but
And like whatever
you.
chapters you thought, and all the questions are like
Hmm.
exactly that questions itself. So I felt like if I joined like in my first year itself, I could have done better. Like even my basics would be strong.
Yeah, but do I make sure ki you get your basic done even from the 11th question, especially?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. And trust me, I am telling you, though you are in just class 12th, you have board as well. If you be like this consistent, attend all the class, follow my instruction, I will make sure you focus on the board. I can still give you guarantee. The only reason why we still have 4 months, like not exactly 4 months, but around 110 days. 110 days we still have. After, like in Fab month, we will do only paper every day. Like every alternative day, we are doing one paper, one complete discussion, like 1 day paper. On the same day, we are doing physics discussion. Next day, we are doing chemistry and biology discussion. You are writing this again. And done. By the end of March month, you will say, ki, oh, I can solve any question. because I revised the full NEET portion 3-4 times. Because trust me, hardly 2% people are serious. Other are just increasing number. Channa, what is your opinion? Chandana, are you there? Is she there, Sarah?
Yeah, sir, she's there.
I think she is facing network issue. Chandana, no.
Oh,
See.
she left.
Yeah. So, Sarah, what did you feel